Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Wandering Legends. Today we are here in Bromley, town centre, London Borough of Bromley. So without further ado, let's take off in southeast London. Right, so I'm drawn up in the sky as you can see. I'm now just going to take the zip around the area with the 360 photo. Let's go towards the town centre. We should go towards down here. Let's go towards down here, because that's where the town centre is. It's a bit later in the day now because, you know, it takes time to come in from southeast. I mean, I was from the other part of southeast London, from no, in the same borough, Beckenham. Took some time to come in. What happened to my camera? It seems that the camera has died. The battery died on it. Did the 360 photo, and alright, 360 photo is now complete. Let's just zip around this area. So I go towards the town hall. Stop screen recording. Let's get a static shot here. So yeah, it's a nice area. I was planning to fly here for quite a bit because it takes some time to come here. That's why I didn't come here yet, and now I'm here. It's Bromley North station. Let's get a nice shot down this area. Where can we go? A lot of cranes in this area. Our drone's much higher than that, so we're good, we're chilling. There's a big bus station down here as well, near Bromley North station. Where can we go? Where can we go now? Let's go towards the town centre again. We're near a shopping centre as well. Get a shot of that as well, because why not? So we've got a nice bridge over here that goes towards the shopping centre. Let's get a shot of the shopping centre as well. Yep, quite a big shopping centre. We'll just get a shot of how it looks like from outside. We'll get a shot of now. Or should we get a shot of now, I mean? Should get shot of now. Should get shot of down this area. I mean, I don't even know what they film in this area. I need to get shot of the south area as well. Let's go towards the area down here. Let's go down towards there. Would have been better to fly during the day. But it took time for it to come. The bus. What we'll do, we'll go down towards the south area. We have not been there yet. It's called Bromley South, right? This area. I'm guessing it is. Nice area to fly. We'll do. Should go down towards there. Let's go down towards there. What else is down there? Let's go towards this area down there. Yeah, nice little area to fly in Southeast London. Very nice open area. Can't go as far, unfortunately, because we might lose range. Look at that, there's a nice area down there. You can get a shot of it. What area is that? You can kind of see that area, isn't it? Let's just see it from here quickly. What we'll do, we'll get a shot of what's down here as well. Look at that nice shot here. So what we'll do, we'll just get a shot of this bus coming back then, or car coming back. We don't know the wind situation, so It's not that windy today, but we want to be safe, isn't it? Look how fast that motorbike's going, that's crazy. Oh, this is where the wind is actually. It is. We're going in headwind now, but it's not too much of a problem. We still have enough battery, but let's get a shot of all these cars coming to this area. Yep, the wind's a bit strong now today. Yeah, let's just come closer to where we are. Got a bit of crosswinds. You can see it in the gimbal. Gimbal's acting erratically. See, we don't know the wind situation. Imagine it just gets really strong, that it goes 1 mile an hour. I know the wind today is like max 12 mile an hour gusts, so we should be good. But you can actually see it like moving around the camera, the gimbal, because that's the wind. See, look at that, it's rolling, it's too windy. We get that quite a bit. That's the thing, when I choose to fly on windy days, you get that problem. Let's see if we have enough battery. Yeah, we do have enough battery anyway. We're just going to stay local just in case, because we don't know the wind situation. I might just fly lower, because if I fly far, so I can keep the drone in range, I have to fly high when I'm far, but I'm not that far now. I'm not that far anyway. Yeah, it's big, a lot of buildings here. Really nice area to fly. I should have flown on a day where there was no wind at all. Thing is though, we don't get that quite often. It's pretty much always windy, because we live in an island and we always get battered by winds, pretty much all the time. That's the only problem. So you've got buses over here. Yes, there's a lot of buses that are over here that come from areas in Southeast London. So you've been down this road, isn't it? Where else can we go? The mall area. I know what to do. We can get a shot of this. Let's see if a car will come through here. That would be so sick if we can get that shot. Yeah, something about that looks sick. Got pigeons on the roof as well. Yeah, we're a bit lower now. We'll just stay a little bit low. Let's follow this bus going towards the area down there. Follow this green car coming back. Let's follow this green car coming back. See, the drone gets a bit jumpy when you fly in the wind, and it's the gimbal. So that's why we just got to stay lower down, fly lower down. And as you can see, there's a bridge coming from the car park all the way to the mall here in Bromley. Yeah, although it's a nice place to fly, just a bit windy and a bit later in the day, because tried to fly earlier, but then it does take time to come to Bromley from where I live. Got a super loop. Yeah. What else can get shoot? We haven't been down this road, have we? We should have done that before. Anyway, we've got to land a drone in a minute. Let's turn around. Should go down this road. Let's go down this road. And then we'll land a drone after that. See, the drone's a bit jumpy because of the wind. You can see that, right? Just keep going down towards here. No, we should get shot straight down, innit? But it's the problem. It's the problem with the wind. What other stuff we've got here? We've got a building over here. Battery's low now. We're gonna have to turn home. Yeah, anyway, we're just getting a nice shot of Bromley now, coming back at a low down level. See that green car that we're following right here? Sick, innit? Got the buses here. Let's land. Oops, got to land straight down. Let's choose this parking spot right over here to land it. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Bromley, Southeast London. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.